Hey guys, quick review and teardown of the Shark FlexBreeze fan. Also, is it actually worth the price? So first off, cleaning it is surprisingly easy. Before you even touch anything, hold down the oscillation button for a few seconds until the lights flash. This puts it in lock mode so it doesn't accidentally turn on. Then you flip it over and remove a hidden screw using the included Allen key. After that, the front grille twists off pretty smoothly. The fan blades come off next, but here's the funny part. You actually unscrew the blade cap clockwise, which feels backwards. Once that's off, everything slides out easily. If you need to store it, there's even a quick release button to remove the whole head. Now, is it worth it? Honestly, yes, if you care about portability. It's pricey, usually around $150 to $200, but the airflow is strong, it's super quiet, and you can take it cordless outdoors. For me, that versatility is the real win.